This video labeled is going to be called The Last Johnson. These two-stroke Johnsons, they've served their time. This one's in really good condition except for everything inherent from Johnson. And quite honestly, we're able to repair these, but it takes a tremendous amount of man hours and a lot of modification and a lot of parts. But unless a customer just needs some service on one of these in the future, we will not be doing major repairs on them anymore. Typically what would call for an hour will cost you 3, 4, 5 hours. And you just can't make any money and treat your customer well doing it. That's him on the throttle, varying the speeds. Nothing wrong with the engine yet. That's just the prop cavitating. That's him backing off the throttle. That's him telling me that's him. Hard to get it in a happy spot without a cavitating prop. I mean, that's good that it has the horsepower to overpower the prop. Our run tank is nice and clean today. Pool man just left. That's him chopping the throttle. Make sure the engine stays running. That run tank is nice and clean. Yeah, the chemicals. Like to keep that as clean as possible. You don't want to be sucking up a bunch of dirt and sand in that thing. Trying to adjust the throttle to bring the RPMs down a little, but the cavitating prop is causing him to have to go forward and, you know, full throttle and back off just to keep it from over revving. All right, sounds pretty good. Is that, put it in, that's idling and forward? Bring it back just a little bit, but leave it in gear. Oh, all right. Now that primer bulb is not gonna stay 100% firm on these Johnsons. Do what? It is hard? Half hard. About half hard, that's what they stay, about half hard. Half hard. Half hard. Oh, shit. Anyway. Running good. Shut it off. Start it up. Call that the 5-second rule. Put it in reverse. Sounds good. Neutral and forward. Great. So clean bill of health, ready for another sea trial? Yes? All right. That's it for the last Johnson from Hotheads Marine.